Okay, just got done machining the cylinders, one of them anyway. So this is the before, and this is the after. So we machined it down 5 thou on the aluminum and a couple thou on the steel part. Got a 3-style step right here. My fingernail starts is a step, so if you look at it, you kind of see it a little bit. So that way that puts extra pressure on your head gasket so it doesn't blow. And it's nice and flat and they're over. So that's how you do it. Alright, I'm going to do this one.
They're actually made with a fucking metal ring in them.
Yeah, well.
To help squish and not
This just squish it even more.
thou.
Squish it even more.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Alright, I'll do the next one now. So clean the surface off.
Yeah, it may have.
Of course, this is something you want to do after you already honed the cylinder to final, right? You want to go chuck up on the new blade and mar it up. But see, chuck jobs are pretty smooth, so on purpose they're made that way. Look at that.
Yeah.
Kind of custom made this stuff, so. Alright, let's go see what we got.
When I was doing them at Kenyon's, we used kind of like a wedge type tool inside, kind of like a cone shaped deal. But it was a lot of setup, you know, like this is your tool.
We just hit at 0, we just hit something. There's one little spot. Let's see where it's even hitting. Right there, I think the shiny spot. We just hit right there. We've got 1 thou. I went in 1 thou, I didn't hit any aluminum, let's see. So there is our steel. This one's a lot flatter than the other one. The other one's round was. It took full 2 thou to get it a little better. Okay, so I'm going to say we only cut half a thou at this point. No, we went the other way. So we went in 1 thou. Yeah, okay. Now we're hitting a little probably at all like the other one. Done pretty good on the other one. Low through here, you can really see the swirl marks.
It was
here.
higher here, and it's not even touching here.
Yeah, well, I'm like that. Literally, it's like half a thou. You can see the swirl marks in there with the swirl in the circle. So, yeah, reflection right here in light. You can see it. And you took a buffer to it. Now, if I go in a thou more.
Still fucking got a low spot.
I know. I just did that for show.
Yeah.
You can see the high and low. You got about 50%. Yeah. That was 1 thou. Okay, so now we're going to cut it. Cut the 5. Just like I did on the other cylinder. We're going to go 5, so we'll do 5 right now. Basically a new bit. Pretty damn sure. Get the steel yet. We're getting I back it off 3002. That's it, we're done. You get the big fat area gasket to pinch on. 3 thou also. I'm not sure how much more compression it has because we took a little bit off. Look clean?
That looks really nice. Beautiful.
Cleaner than that one. This hasn't been cleaned yet, all the way. This only been cleaned once with the CRC. You got a tank twice and everything else. Ooh. I want something there. I'm happy. Look at all my stuff pissed off at me. Oh, that hurts. Oh, damn, it hurts. Oh, twists his muscles all up through here.
Gotta stop jumping off those bikes at high speed, man.
All right, those are clean. I get my new clean right, because that's the dirty one now. And the real dirty one used to be down there. I think I left it over there. This is your clean one. This is your dirty one. Ah, that hurts. Okay, where's your rings at? Let me get this head in my way. Make me stuff. Okay, did you clean these off yet?
No, they're not clean.
Why not?